everyone, how are you all? I hope you guys are good and safe. So today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to prepare mango pickle. And what's exciting here is that I haven't prepared any kind of pickle before. So this is my first, exploring kind of thing with mango. So I'm gonna prepare mango pickle. So I have seen so many YouTube videos and I thought, okay, let me do it. So let's get started with no further ado. And guys, if you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to click the bell icon nearby so that you guys will be instantly notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. So let's start cooking. So let's make mango pickle. For that I have taken some 5 mangoes. So these mangoes are green from outside but they are really mature. They are not exactly the raw mango. They are mature and unripe ones. So they are ready and soon to be ripe. So that stage I have taken. Okay, so I like little bit of sweet and sour taste, so I have taken this kind of mangoes. So if you want only the sour taste, you can take the immature and young mango. Okay, so this is like almost mature to be ripe, but then I have just taken at this stage to get that exactly sweet and sour taste. So I have taken this mango and I'm just cutting it into small pieces just like this. Okay, so here I'm slicing all my mango into small pieces like this, and then just reverse it and cut so that you get that exact cube shaped mango pieces. So this is the best and better size for mango pickle. Okay, so I'm just cutting all my mango in this shape. So here my mango is ready now. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put some salt to it and keep this mango aside for 30 minutes. Okay, so this is the perfect shape for mango. So just add some salt according to your taste and then keep it aside for 30 minutes. Okay, so here I'm just giving a good mix. Now this step is very important. So I have kept a pan here and I'm adding to it 2 spoons of fenugreek seeds. Okay, so just dry roast it for a while. So don't make it too black. So just dry roast it and shake it this way so that it will be nicely roasted from all the sides. And after a while you can keep this aside for 5 minutes to cool, and then you can blend it in a blender to make the fresh fenugreek powder. Okay, so after that I'm keeping a pan here, and this step is again very important. I'm adding here sesame oil, so maybe like 3 spoons of sesame oil. Okay, so as I said before, this is my first time making pickle, so I just took reference with most of the YouTube videos, and I could see them using sesame oil, and some channel they used coconut oil, so I chose sesame oil, nallenna. Okay, so after that I'm adding some mustard seed and some curry leaves. Okay, so after adding this, what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna off the flame, and then I will add the rest of the masalas. So here I'm adding 3 spoons of Kashmiri chili powder. So this gives a good color to your pickle. Okay, so it's very important that you add Kashmiri chili powder.
So I'm adding here 3 spoons of Kashmiri chili powder. So after that I'm gonna add this fenugreek powder which we roasted earlier. So I'm just gonna add that, okay? And after this I'm gonna add asafoetida. So this is very important, okay? Kayam. So this is very important, maybe like half a spoon of it or 1 spoon you can add, okay? So I have added here half a spoon of it and then mix really well. And once these nicely cool, okay, you can just on the flame for a while, like 2 seconds or 3 seconds, and again off it and add the mango pieces. So here I'm adding all the mango pieces into it and give a good mix. So our pickle is almost ready. So you can use this pickle for months, okay? You can store it in fridge and you can use it. So my pickle was very tasty. I just ate yesterday and it was very tasty. Do try it, guys, and let me how it turned out to be to you, and also let me know whether you guys like this or not, okay? If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. So I just forgot to tell you, I'm gonna store this pickle in a glass container. So most of them, almost everybody store pickle in a glass container. So am I. So I'm storing here and I'll just put it into the fridge for months and I'll use it, okay? So this was really tasty, guys. Do try it.
Do try and let me know, guys, whether you like it or not, okay? So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.